What if I told you Google will literally send leads straight to your phone and you only pay for the leads who actually call you? That's exactly what happens when you use Google Local Service Ads the right way. Let me show you how to turn Google Local Service Ads into a 24/7 lead machine for your business. I'm Ryan Samuelson, the founder of Accelerate Marketing. We help service-based businesses get their phones ringing through Google Local Service Ads, or LSAs for short. If you're a contractor, lawyer, HVAC company, electrician, real estate professional, attorney, etc., then these ads can be your best performing lead channel, but only if you know how to set them up strategically. So here's how Google Local Service Ads differ from regular Google ads. Instead of paying for clicks, you're paying for verified leads. That means when a customer calls or messages through your ad, that's when you get charged. These ads show up above all other search results, and they feature your business with the Google Verified badge, which instantly builds trust. Now, a lot of businesses fail with local service ads because they don't verify their profiles properly, ignore review generation, or let bad leads get unreported. We've seen it all. You've got to treat your Google Local Service Ad dashboard like your most valuable sales tool. Track, respond fast, and report spam leads right away to get your money back. To truly win with Google Local Service Ads, focus on the 3 Rs. Reviews, keep them fresh and frequent. Radius, make sure your service categories and location match where you can work. And then third, response rate. Respond to every inquiry fast. One of our law firm clients implemented these strategies and averaged 130 cases per month with an average case value of $4,500. You can check out that full case study with statistics on our blog, link below. If you're ready to launch your own local service ads campaign, or you've tried before and didn't get the results you wanted, text LSA to 619-304-5155 and we'll show you exactly how to get your local service ads working for you.